What if I told you you're not lazy? You've just been listening to your brain a little too much, and that's why you feel stuck, even when you want to do more. Stay with me, because by the end of this video you'll know exactly why you feel lazy, and how to fix it starting today. First, what laziness really is. Let's get one thing straight. Laziness is not a personality trait. It's a signal. Your brain is constantly trying to save energy and avoid discomfort. That's how humans survived for thousands of years. But today, that same system is working against you. Instead of hunting for food, you're trying to finish work, study, build discipline. And your brain goes, nah, let's scroll instead. This happens because of something called cognitive load. When your brain feels overwhelmed, it chooses the easiest path, doing nothing. Second, the real reasons you feel lazy. 1. You're mentally overloaded. Too many tasks means brain shuts down. Research shows that mental overload reduces decision-making ability. Studies supported by the American Psychological Association highlight how stress impacts focus and productivity. 2. You don't see immediate reward. Your brain runs on dopamine. If something feels boring or slow, your brain avoids it. This is explained in research by Daniel Kahneman in Thinking Fast and Slow. Your brain prefers quick pleasure over long-term success. 3. Fear of failure. Sometimes you're not lazy, you're just afraid. Afraid of doing it wrong, not being good enough. So instead of trying, you avoid it completely. Third, how to fix laziness. Now let's fix it. 1. Use the 5-minute rule. Tell yourself, I'll just do this for 5 minutes. And you'll see. Most of the time, you'll keep going. 2. Make tasks smaller. Big goals equal to overwhelm. Break it into 1 small step, then another 3. Change your environment. Your environment controls your behavior. If your phone is near, you may be distracted. If your workspace is clean, you must focus on the work. 4. Take action before motivation. Most people wait to feel motivated. That's the mistake. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. Fourth and last important thing. Mindset shift. Stop saying, I'm lazy. Start saying, my brain needs better direction. Because the truth is, you're not broken. You're just untrained. And once you understand your mind, you can control it.